A construction site is a busy place, with many activities happening at the same time. It is easy to imagine situations where safety can be overlooked. Yet, it is crucial to identify these situations and act. We are all expected to act when observing an unsafe situation by making an immediate improvement or raise a safety observation. By making this a routine matter, injuries can be avoided. Let's have a look at what a safety observation is and how we can improve the safety culture on site, making sure everyone gets home safely. A safety observation is a report or note made about a condition, behavior, or situation that has the potential to cause harm or injury. It's a way of identifying and documenting possible safety issues before they lead to an accident. Safety observations play an important role in maintaining a safe work environment. By registering these observations, improvements in the safety procedures can be carried out, ensuring safety of everyone working on site. This also allows for the issue to be addressed as quickly as possible, so we can prevent potential accidents. Whenever you're in doubt if your observation is worth reporting, always do it. Types of safety observation. There are 4 types of safety observations being recognized: unsafe condition, unsafe act, near miss, accident. They are all equally important and need to be reported. And always remember that the earlier you report an unsafe situation, the earlier it will be dealt with, and there is less chance of it becoming an accident. 1. Unsafe condition. An unsafe condition refers to any sort of hazard or potential hazard that can cause injury or illness to a person or damage to a property. For example, defective tools or equipment, misplaced items with a risk of falling, or inadequate supports or safeguards, such as unfinished guardrails, missing toe boards. 2. Unsafe act. Unsafe acts are any actions or behavior that put ourselves or others at risk of harm. These acts could be performed by someone who are either unaware of the risks or choose to ignore the safety procedures. Examples include not wearing the proper PPE, taking shortcuts in working procedures, or operating equipment without the necessary training or authorization. 3. Near miss. A near miss is a work-related incident that has not resulted in injury but has occurred with workers in the area and has the potential to cause injury or be fatal. An example could be an item falling and not hitting anyone, a person missing balance but not falling. When something happens and you say, "I have been lucky this time," consider it a near miss. 4. Accident. An accident is defined as an unfortunate incident that happens unexpectedly and unintentionally, typically resulting in damage or injury. How to raise a safety observation or report a near miss? Reporting a safety observation is quick and easy. You can choose to do the following. 1. Use the app Dalux for registration. It provides an easy way of reporting by submitting an electronic report directly to the person responsible for the area. You can find information on how to use the app from your HSE team. 2. By reaching out to your foreman, line manager, safety representative, or directly to a member of HS and WE team, and they will be happy to help. If you witness an accident, always make sure to report it personally to your line manager or a member of HS and WE team. Suggestions for improvement and positive observations. Whenever reporting a safety observation, consider if you have a suggestion for a solution that could improve the situation. Your input is very valuable, as you are the one who knows which solution will work best in the given situation. Remember to share lessons learned with other areas to prevent a similar incident. Maybe you were lucky this time, but next time your colleague might not be. If you notice a safety solution that works really well, share it with your colleagues to register them as positive observations. It will promote safety and encourages open communication. You can use the same means for registrations as for any other safety observation. What happens next? The HSE team will receive all registrations and assign them to the different units for their follow-up on a weekly basis. In all cases, you can expect a response from the HSE team within a day. Reporting safety observations is essential for the HSE team to establish preventative measures to avoid reoccurrence and injuries on site. If you're in doubt if it's worth reporting, always go by the rule, it's better to report too much than too little. Always use a last-minute risk assessment and never be afraid to stop the work in unsafe situations. Remember, you see it, you own it. We all have a responsibility. Watch out for yourself and your safety buddies so we can all get home safely.